Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Shafira, and here I am as a presenter. And I would like to present about the study with the title Farmer Group Institutionalization in Nogosari Hamlet, Dadapayu Village, Semanu Subdistrict, Gunungkidul. In the beginning, I would like to explain the introduction. One of the potential that exists in Nogosari Hamlet is cassava farming, which is supported by the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group, and it has extensive yard land. In the context of better management of cassava farming and the large plots of land, one of them is the needed to strengthen the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group's institution, so that agricultural information and the technology is conveyed to the farmers. The problem for this study is based on the participatory mapping with the community, especially after long discussion with Nogosari's village chief. The problems faced by the community were firstly the inactivity of the farmers group, and secondly, there was a lot of dry land and yards that had not been utilized by the community for agricultural and economic activities. Next, about the purpose. So, there are three purposes for this study. The first one is the counseling on the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and the financial management of farmers group. The second one, counseling on the use of yard and the moorland. And the last one is the strengthening and empowering the Bangun Jiwa farmer group. The method that we use in this study is FGD, or Focus Group Discussion. FGD is with the community on existing problems and problem-solving solution, especially for the Bangun Jiwa Farmer Group. Deliberation for planning and working methods to be implemented. The implementation of KKN PBM service activities includes first, counseling on the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and financial management of the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group. Second, counseling and training on the utilization of moor and yard land for cassava farming. And the last is strengthening and empowering the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group. We move to the result and discussion. So the first that we discuss is extension of the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and financial management. This activity was held on Saturday, January 13, 2024 at the Nogosari Village Hall, starting at 2 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. It was attended by 40 administrators, group members, researchers, and the students. Furthermore, the question and the answer session, the participants who attend the event were very enthusiastic in asking several questions. Next, for the other result is about the extension and training on the utilization of moor and yard land for cassava crop farming. This activity was held on Saturday, January 13, 2024 at the Nogosari Village Hall, starting at 2 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. It was attended by 40 administrators, group members, researchers, and the students. Furthermore, the question and answer session, the participants who attend the event were very enthusiastic in asking several questions about the advantages of various varieties of cassava. Apart from that, there were also questions about cultivating avocado plants, and after long discussion, there was an agreement to try avocado cultivation. The last discussion is about strengthening and empowerment the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group. This activity was held on Saturday, January 20, 2024 at the Nogosari Village Hall, starting at 2 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. It was attended by 45 administrators, group members, researchers, and the students. Furthermore, the question and the answer session, the participants who attend the event were very enthusiastic in asking several questions about good farmer group management in accordance with the principles of farmer group management. After the outreach on the strengthening and empowering the Bangun Jiwa Farmer Group was completed, 100 avocado seeds were distributed to all residents in Nogosari Hamlet. We reached the last part of this presentation. So, the conclusion and the suggestion. The conclusion, first, the importance of organizational management, administrative management, and the financial management of Bangun Jiwa Farmer Group. The importance of utilizing yard and moorland, and the importance of strengthening and empowering the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group. And the last suggestion, for the functioning of the Bangun Jiwa Farmers Group, continuous assistance by the government and the university is needed. So, it was all about my presentation today, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.